Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode of Living in Alabama. I'm your host, Jason Will, real estate broker with Blueprint Realty Company. We're doing some marketing today in Dadeville, Alabama for one of Lake Life Living and Rentals' premier vacation rental spots. This is in the new community of Magnolia Cove. So kind of a cool thought. I mean, you could come stay in this community, mingle with the neighbors, go check out the community amenities and see if you like it. You can try this lifestyle on before you buy it because there is plenty of opportunity to own your own residence here in Magnolia Cove. But first, let's explore Hidden Gem because indeed you may want to rent this one because it sleeps 11, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Now, the pool is going to be a prime destination for kiddos, and not to worry, in addition to delivering a boat here for you to use throughout your stay, Lake Life Living and Rentals will also drop a golf cart, making it super easy to get to and from the pool. And what more could you ask for? Let's go inside and take a closer look because this thing is new and it is nice on the inside. Let's go. Y'all, welcome inside. And for some of you back at home, this is going to look really familiar to what maybe your current floor plan is at your primary residence. So we're bringing those comforts of home here to Hidden Gem, to your vacation living experience. So you've got this modern open floor plan, big gathering space, really well appointed in terms of the furniture and decor, just really nice in here. So rustic cabins aren't for everybody. Seclusion isn't for everybody. So Magnolia Cove is all about community, and it all kind of culminates into the floor plan as well. So just doing life together, enjoying time with one another here on Lake Martin. Got a really comfortable leather sectional right here. I love the dining table. You've got the breakfast bar. You've got everything you're looking for in terms of space, high ceilings. I can look right out here and see the water. Tons of natural light. I can't say enough about this initial first impression that Hidden Gem makes as soon as you walk through the door. All right, before we get too deep into the tour, let's kind of go over the lay of the land. Obviously, big open living, dining, kitchen combo configuration here. We've got laundry, and then you can walk through this hallway right here into the primary bedroom closet, the walk-in closet. That'll take you through the ensuite bath and then into your king suite lakeside, which is really nice. We'll head that way in a second. Go upstairs. We've got our guest suites up there. We've got a full bath. We've got a whole landing area. So the kids can have their own space up there to watch movies or play video games and just create a nice degree of separation from adults and the kiddos. It's always good when everybody has their own designated space. But for right now, let's go check out this primary and this beautiful spa-like ensuite bath that has the rain head. I mean, it is super plush. Let's go check it out. All right, y'all, welcome into your main level primary king suite with water view. I mean, I just want you to picture this, sitting up in bed every morning while you're on vacation and being greeted with the water. That's the only way to wake up on vacation, in my opinion, especially when you're renting a lake house. But really spacious, good degree of separation from you and the other guests. And you've got a very impressive ensuite bath, which we're gonna go check out right now. But before we do, I just wanted to note, get a little view, a little taste of this outdoor living space. I mean, it is super inviting. You got really, really comfortable furniture out there right in front of a wood burning fireplace with a TV mounted above the mantle. So you know what that means. Movie watching at night with the kiddos or football watching at night during the football season. So really well appointed out there. Can't wait to go out there. But for right now, let's go check out this shower. before we go upstairs, let's soak in this outdoor living space for a minute. We've got a nice table right there with the grill. We've got these really comfy chairs. This wicker furniture is very, very nice. You've got a wood-burning fireplace with a gas starter, big screen mounted there on the stone fireplace. Now I want to give you some instruction. Everything's kind of angled here to give everybody an element of privacy. So this is the dock that goes with this particular rental. So you just kind of follow that kind of gravel all the way over to your dock. And as you can see, you've got that easy accessible shoreline for wading in and floating right there, which is really, really key. So I wanted to point that out. Now let's go upstairs and check it out. Y'all, welcome to the second level. We have 3 guest suites up here. We've got a full guest bath. The bedroom behind me has its own ensuite bath, so if there's another couple traveling with you, they're going to really appreciate having their own private bathroom space. All these rooms are nice size, and this is a great living room space for the kiddos. You got the foosball table here. You got really comfortable furniture. This is a pull-out couch, so obviously that's going to provide another sleeping space for more guest accommodations, which is nice. It's really light and bright up here, just like the main level. And from these lakeside bedrooms, you got beautiful water views. And this second level, just like the first, just creates very inviting spaces. Everybody's got their own flat screen TV in their bedroom, and you know, it just has everything you're going to want or need, or thought you could want or need while you're on vacation here at Lake Martin. All right, y'all, so just imagine we've taken our golf cart that we have rented from Lake Life Living and Rentals up to the community pool. Look at this really awesome gazebo area. We've got restrooms right there. We got a flat screen TV, wood burning fireplace with wood already stacked over in the corner. So this is gonna be a great place to watch football and hang out with friends in the fall season, and you know, just enjoy this big community pool with all this decking. Look, there's a hot tub right there. What a great place to make lake friends. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for me here at Hidden Gem. So as you can see, this is more of a resort style vacation living experience. So if you want to be in community with people, you want your kids to have an opportunity to make some friends while they're on vacation, this is going to be a great selection for you here. But also if you just want something new, something that's modern, something that's like in pristine condition, I think this is a great choice. And then also I just want to mention, like in terms of boating distance and also driving distance, this is in a great like central location. So easy to access, you know, all the local hot spots by water. But if you want to get in the car and go have a great burger, just go down to Niffers and hear some live music and have a really impeccable margarita. Or you can go a little bit further, you know, cross the bridge, and you've got the beach club there, which is awesome. They have live music, and man, look at that shrimp po' boy on that menu. That's incredible. You've got a coffee shop right next door, and you keep going a little ways and you've got Oscars, which like that's some of the best barbecue in the South in my opinion. And they've got that real good ranch dressing. If you're a ranch dressing connoisseur like I am, if you're picky about your ranch, you're going to be very impressed with the Oscars salad. And then you go up just a little bit further and you've got the Lake Martin Pizza Company, live music as well, just a great atmosphere. So you're in a really good location. There's a Mexican restaurant not far. So anything you could want, shopping, dining, everything right here at your fingertips. All right, y'all, if I piqued your interest with Hidden Gem, you're going to find all the booking links in the remarks. If you're seeing this on, like, say, Facebook, you'll see in the comment section, you'll have all the links you need there for more information. If you're seeing this on YouTube, everything will be in the description section. So we'll list all the amenities, all the features, all the benefits of booking Hidden Gem for a week or so. And then I'll put a link in there too if you want to see, like, if you come here and stay and you're like, man, this is pretty cool. I could see myself owning in here. I'm gonna put a link in there to you so you can see kind of what the prices are going for in terms of the real estate here. Again, I'm your host, Jason Will, real estate broker with Blueprint Realty Company. On behalf of the team at Lake Life Living and Rentals, I hope you've enjoyed this one, and we'll see you soon on the next episode of Lake Living in Alabama.